Are you a salesperson who's looking for a unified place in Zoho CRM to go to manage all of your daily work? Hi, my name is Zach Spader with Cornerstone Solutions, and today we're going to take a look at the new Workqueue feature in Zoho CRM. Let's take a look. Okay, so before we dive into this, I just wanted to mention that this video is being recorded in February of 2026. This feature was just introduced in the last UI update for the CRM for Everyone. This would be the second UI update for CRM for Everyone. You'll see on the screen here that there is an option under the homepage called Workqueue. And in Zoho fashion, they have the little stars next to it to indicate that that's a new feature. So we'll go ahead and we'll scroll and click on the work queue here. And you'll see when we click on this that you're taken to a page that has a number of different items on it. There's a open activity section here up at the top that shows tasks, meetings, and calls. There's a section called My Jobs. This is related to blueprint tasks that are assigned to this user. And then there's a work queue section that includes modules like leads, contacts, deals, campaigns. I want to go through each one of these sections. So the top two sections, the My Open Activities and My Jobs, these are kind of fixed sessions. In the activities, you can select from a list of activity views. So there's a view for today and overdue, which I personally feel is the most beneficial view, but you can select the tasks that you want to see, the ones that are due today or tomorrow or overdue, things like that. But I personally feel like the today plus overdue is probably the most helpful. Now, this view applies to all of these task categories, tasks, meetings, and calls. So you can't right now select different views for these different modules. It's just a singular view that displays the activity, such as the task, meeting, or call, that applies to that criteria filter. Same thing kind of goes with the My Jobs. They have a single view here for blueprint tasks. And so when you click on the blueprint tasks, so blueprint tasks are when you have a blueprint that works on your lead or your deal module, that is tasks in any record blueprint that are available to be completed by that user. So some blueprint tasks are assigned to a specific user, some blueprint tasks are assigned to groups of users or types of users. So this is going to display records that this user who's logged in has the capability to affect. So whether it's their task or they're within a group of people that can affect a change in a task in a record, that will show in the My Blueprints. Now, again, this one you do not have any ability to change the view or what fields are displayed on this. It's just kind of a set view to show you these are the tasks right now that you can log into and do something to. And then there's a section called My Work Queue. And this section is a little bit more flexible. So by default, it comes with some views like my leads, leads that were assigned in the last 3 hours, my contacts, contacts assigned in the last 3 hours, my deals, deals that are closing this month, and my active campaigns. So this section is a little bit different. You'll see when we hover over it that there's actually a little settings gear here, and you can click on that and you can choose a couple different things here. One, you have a drop down for the view type. So this is category view or list view. So if we choose list view here, you can see that this just condenses and it takes out the my leads or the leads, contacts, deals, and campaigns headers here. Otherwise, the actual views within this work queue stay the same. So we'll scroll back to the category view. I kind of like it broken down by the different modules that it's in. And then next to that, you'll see that there is a new work queue here, and you can create a new work queue. There's a couple of options here that they give you by default, or you can click Create Work Queue. in which you select a module and then select a view from that module. So this is kind of nice if you have a module maybe that you use that has records in it that need to be viewed by a particular member of your organization that's not listed in the leads, contacts, deals, or campaigns here. So this would allow you to select a custom module or one of the other modules that's not listed in CRM, and then select a view within that module. And then with the individual headers themselves, such as the leads, contacts, deals, if you hover over those, you also have a plus icon here that you can create a new queue within this particular header. So for example, you can select the custom view in the leads module. You can give it a particular name, and then you can filter on who the records are owned by. And so this gives you the ability to customize this Workqueue view a little bit based on your needs. And so, for instance, in the deals module, it's pretty common that a salesperson would want to see my open deals. So my deals is a great view, but when you click on the my deals, if you have deals that are already closed, they will still show up in this view. So most salespeople like to work off of a view called my open deals, in which case you would just click create a new work queue, and then you would select the deal the deal view that you would like to view. In this particular case, I haven't built a my open deals queue, but if I did, I could select that queue. So if we let's say we select unread deals and save that, then that new view shows up down here on the left-hand side. So that's a quick overview of the new Workqueue. I mentioned in the beginning that this would be a great tool for salesperson, but really it's a great tool for everybody who uses the CRM and manages activities and records within the CRM. So I hope this video has been helpful for you.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.